today I'm going to be trying out this amazing Elmer's colour changing slime kit. So let's get into it. It has 2 activators for 2 glues. I think I'm going to do this one because it's really pretty blue and it's my favourite colour, purple. You get 2 activators. And there's one more for that one. And then you just get this little light. So when you make the slime, you can do little patterns on it. And then you can mix it and it'll glow in the dark. Well, the pattern will glow in the dark. So yeah. Well, colour change, not glow in the dark. So let's get started. And I'm going to just open this blue clap. Kind of hard. Maybe you just do it like this. Yeah, there's no good way to do it. It's a slow way. Trying a finish cap now. Now I finally got the glue cap off. It will take really, really long time, but now I can pour my glue in. That was unexpected. It was like plop. Right. Try and get all of it out. Keeps on plopping. And if you want, you can add in maybe some addings to this if you have some. But I don't think I'm going to do that. Every time I squirt, there's more. Let's try and dig in there maybe. Right, I think that's hopefully enough. Oh! Let's try and use our spectacle for this one. I accidentally dropped it in glue. A little bit less glue now, but hopefully it's okay. Kind of an accident there. Alright, I guess I won't touch that again. Put on the table. Right, now I think the only thing to do is add an activator. So, oh, it's open. Like I've used before. So we're just going to pour some in. You're supposed to start with 2 teaspoons and then if it's not ready, pour it in. But I think then maybe that would be a bit too much activator, even like a teaspoon. Like I only added like in 1 drop and it's almost ready. So I think 2 teaspoons might be a little too much. So that's why I'm just doing it gently because it's a tiny slime, so kind of tiny. It's like basically ready with 2 drops, so like I don't think 2 teaspoons would do the trick. Keep on mixing because it's a teeny bit sticky still. So cool. Yeah, we need a bit more activator. It's quite sticky. That should be plenty, hopefully. Alright, I think our slime has just about activated. Still really, really sticky, but it looks like it's activated. Maybe I'll just keep mixing. Just keep on mixing. This is really hard. Maybe I'm just going to pour it on the table. I don't know. It's in a slimy mix, but guess not. Maybe I'm just going to pop it on the table. That doesn't know what's happening. Plop. Oh, that's a bit better. Now I can kind of feel it. Okay. Still quite sticky, so I'm going to add an activator. That should be enough. Kind of mix that in. Really good. Yeah, it's getting a little bit sticky, but hopefully it's worth it. I can feel it getting together, kind of stringy, but that's what some slimes are like, so not too surprised. Kind of get all the excess off the table, hopefully. Just kind of roll it so it's in like a stringy. There's still loads more, so I'm trying to get that off. But and some blue over there. Maybe it's not the best idea, but still really good. Right now, I'm going to try and do the colour change thing. A little bit of activator on my hands. Rub it in so it won't stick to me. Oh, that's good. So now this time it's not sticky. I can start doing this thing, but I can do the stretch tests. I think it's a little bit of activated, but we're still really good. Maybe it's just stringy, I don't know. But it's still really, really good. But I still would have thought 2 teaspoons is still way too much. But it's really good. Alright, so I think I might have added too much activate, but that's fine. So now we're going to see if it colour changes. Ready? It actually does. Look, it's turning purple. Alright, let's keep on doing it. Just mix it in and then we can do a real design. I was just testing it then. So, what do I want to do? Let's do... I have an idea what to do and you guys have to try and guess it. Yeah, I don't think that's that guessable, but maybe you can guess it. Maybe I'll try this time. It wasn't that good. It's kind of hard, but what should I draw? Maybe a love heart. All right, there we go. Right now, what should we draw? Maybe a butterfly. Sounds good. What happened to a butterfly? Yeah, this is a butterfly, but kind of hard to draw a bit, so don't judge me, don't judge me. Alright, now I'm going to do something what you guys have to guess. Let's see, what should I do? Yeah, I don't think you guessed it, so I'll turn that over. What can you guess? Okay, that's what you could guess. Right, let me draw it then. You might be able to guess that. Probably not. Let me do a little bit of an easier one this time. Let's do this. Can you guess what it is? Alright, quickly. Try and guess. No cheating. Alright, I'm going to draw it again and I'll tell you what it is. Okay? Keep quickly guess. This is a triangle. I think that was an okay drawing. Not brilliant, but nobody can be perfect. Happy crafting. Please subscribe. Bye.